Alright. We got something special here. Look at this. These are some old 1973 vintage Westinghouse elevators. Look at this. Vintage Westinghouse. Finally got to see these. I'm so glad I found this. Finally I got in. Let's right, here we go. This one is wall padded. Pete? Andrew, also known as Diesel Ducey, and Alex, Wisconsin Sirens and Elevators, have filmed these before, and so did Heritage Elevator. Indicator looks like it doesn't work. Yeah, they're all burnt out. Expect to see classic leveling. Pete? Looks like this one's using it as a service freight elevator. I believe those, looks like those are snap cap. Your fixtures. Westinghouse. These are your fixtures. I believe that's for the fire service cabinet. I love these buttons right here. There's your ADA compliant phone. Alright, we're gonna send this up. When the Westie wants to close, the Westie wants to close. Alright, now this one's got the dinner bell. This one's wall padded too? I didn't know that. Five. Well, this one is a working indicator. Alright, let's go on the P1 change cars. This fan in here is even more louder than the other one. Cover the walls with cardboard. Phone. That dinner bell doesn't even work. You used to have bumpers on there, but they replaced them with sensor. Your original Westinghouse door interlock. Alright, we'll take for one more ride on this one. Oh yeah, the indicators burn out. Alright, down the L end there. Again, I love these fixtures. Button goes out. They used to have the numberings that says B1 and B2 until they changed it now. This building is so worth checking out. Alright, there they go, and that's it.